In this video, I'll show you how to build an app with Google Antigravity. First, download and install Google Antigravity on your computer if you haven't already. Launch the application, sign in with your Google account, and complete the initial setup so you're ready to start a new project. Next, create a new workspace and describe the app you want to build. Write a clear prompt explaining your app's purpose, the features you want, the target users, and the overall design. The more specific your instructions are, the better the generated result will be. Now, let Google Antigravity generate the initial version of your application. Review the user interface, project structure, and any suggested files. If you want to make changes, continue chatting with the AI and ask it to add new screens, improve the design, or implement additional functionality. After that, test your application and review the generated code. If you find any issues or want to improve the app, ask Antigravity to fix bugs, refine the layout, or add new features. Continue iterating until you're satisfied with the final result. Finally, save your project and export or deploy your application using the available options. Once everything is working correctly, your app is ready for further development, testing, or publishing. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build an app with Google Antigravity. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.